Sunday morning, enjoying the park vibes.
Welcome to Soul Shorts. I am your host, Bubi. As a trickle of water slowly and surely wears down the hardest rock to a pebble, as the bird slowly and surely, twig by twig, builds a nest strong enough to withstand the fiercest storm, nature rewards persistence. Nature rewards endurance, determination, and passion. Be persistent in your pursuit of your higher self. Let not the negativity of others dull your own persistence in being your true, beautiful self. Be as nature intended and reap her rewards.